All right, so today we are in lesson 16, and it's not to say we're repetitive. We keep on adding little kind of wrinkles into this, but we always keep going back to the basics over and over again. So, lesson 16, write expressions in which letters stand for numbers. Now, what we are doing in lesson 16 is we're breaking it up into 2 days. So for today, again, we're just going to be sticking with all the different writing out the expressions. What we're doing is we're going to save this top part. The top part and the bottom part are actually the exact same. We're going to come back to the top parts later as a practice round. So we'll leave it alone. Don't cross it out or anything like that. But this way we've got a set of answers. It's a nice little kind of review way. So all we've got is a few problems here to take care of today. So for each of them, we kind of want you to try first. Hit the pause button. Try it and then check it and listen to as we explain it there. So the first one there, the sum of twice b and 5. Pause, put it down, see what you get. As I go through it now, the sum of twice b, sum means I am going to add them. Now again, that is one of our boxed in words. So where I see the word and, it's going to become a plus sign. Twice b, so 2 times b. Again, twice means to multiply it times 2, and then we'll add 5 onto it. And there we go. This one, real nice, quotient. Quotient does mean to divide. It is one of our boxed in words, but there's nothing else that's going on with it. So we didn't need parentheses there, but we do see that word and is what's going to become our division symbol. So C divided by D, excuse me. But one of the things you're going to hear us say is, hey, do you want it as a fraction? And typically that's how we always want it. There's nothing wrong with starting out with your division symbol, but then go ahead and writing as your fraction. All right, so we got a raised to the 5th power increased by the product of 5 and c. Again, pause, try something. So a raised to the 5th power. I'm noticing there's a comma there, which is going to make me separate what's going on. So let's take a, let's raise it to the 5th power. Increased by the product of 5 and c. Again, product is one of our boxed in words. So the word and will become that multiplication sign. So plus, and when we multiply number times a letter, remember it is right up against each other. So we do have to watch how we're writing things out. Now you might say, wait, product. I thought that was parentheses. Yeah, it does mean it, but if we think order of operations, it's not going to affect the outcome here. So sum and difference are the real main ones. Product, yeah, you're not going to use a whole lot of parentheses to go along with it. We do want to be aware of it though. All right, so try that next one. We've got the quantity. Ooh, quantity means parentheses of a plus b divided by 4. So the quantity of a plus b divided by 4. So a plus b is in parentheses, and then we would divide by your 4, which shows you that in your numerator should be a plus b, a fraction bar, and then your 4. All right, 10 less than the product of 15 and c. All right, try it. 10 less than, what's special about less than? It's going to make us flip the order. Now, product of 15 and c. Product is one of our boxed in words. So the word and becomes a, yes, multiplication sign there. So we are going to flip the order. And if you want to, and you want to think parentheses, just so when you do make your flip, you realize the 10 is going to be coming second, the minus sign, and then the 15c is out in front. Remember, we are multiplying a number times a letter, so that's why the number has to come first. So 15c minus 10. If we wrap it in parentheses, again, product, you're not going to see that very often simply because of your order of operations. You're going to do your multiplication first. So we do have to be aware of it, but we're not going to see a lot at this level right now. And the last one here, 5 times d, then decreased by 8. That then almost is kind of like a, what did you try at first? That then is almost like a built-in comma, if you would like. So 5 times d, so did you say 5d? Increased, which means to add, and then your 8. Remember, we're not going to have a word, a master list that's going to have every single word. We just kind of have to apply things. And if we increase something, we've got to make sure that we realize that it does mean addition. That's it for today, people. Lots of practice, lots of in-class practice that's going to be going along with this over the next few days.